Hello everyone, and welcome to Rain World. This is another episode, and I gotta address two things. One is the audio. So, for whatever reason, the recording software that I'm used changed the mic that it wanted me to use or something, and it's like upset or something. I don't know. It was quite annoying. But, I mean, it kind of is what it is. Do I still have the pearl? Yes, and that's an elder, I think? Because I had lasers, I swear. And there's a blue camping me. Yeah, come back. Do it. Come on. Come on out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Did I put my spear back? Hold up. No, I did not have my spear there. It's not like it matters anyways. Because I can't really fight the vulture. Lizard, maybe. Vulture, no. Oh, and there's a white lizard, but they're gonna fight, right? There is a white lizard there camping me, praying, literally, for my fall. Where am I? Again? Oh god, I fell. I'm about to get jumped. Okay, I need to go up. Like, up. Yeah, if I'm not careful and I don't land this on my first go, then I'm gonna be cooked. Okay, there we go. I made it. Luckily. And then please tell me the spears are still here. They are. Oh wait, I didn't have the karma. That's why I couldn't do this last time. Oh, I'm dead. Ultra dead. Oh, no. The wall. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, it grabbed me. Am I shaken? Oh, wait, he might fight with that pink one. No, I'm just dead here. Because the pink one's dumb and not gonna come and save me. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, well, I mean, that kind of sucks. There wasn't really anything I could do there, because it's a higher karma gate. I just realized why I couldn't go that way. So not only do I need a spear, but I need to go get karma. And the only way to do that is to go eat things. Is there something here I don't see? Oh yeah, it's a green one. I see him though, now anyways. And I know that he at least heard me, but I need him to go back where he was because there's a little present for him if he would. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you see that right there? Come on. Yeah, come on. I'm right here. Come on. Yeah. You won't. Okay, come on. Don't see the plant. Yep, come on. I'm right here. You played yourself, lizard. Yeah, you just played yourself. What? Get him, pole plant, get him. Thank you. Okay, it's saying that there's food that way, but I don't believe that. Come on, green lizard, come on. Oh, what, you won't come down here? I guess it knows now. Yeah, I guess there isn't really a thing to use to get up there, so I kind of have to go the long way. I can see that. Hello. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Yes. Touch. Can I? Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, I flew too close to the sun there. Oh, and I'm double too. Okay, I mean, to be fair, I just got cornered. And like, Rainworld's an unforgiving survival game. I have to survive 3 nights with limited food and no spear to start with because for whatever reason I ditched it and there's not one spawning. There, up there, there's one. Where is he trying to point me to? Yes, finally a spear. Oh my gosh, I finally have a spear. And I made it. Okay, is this where the bats are? Is this where he's trying to take me? So I can, oh my god. I can't even mind my own business anymore. Stay away. Stay away. Yeah, I was warning you. I don't have another rock. Oh no, whoa. Get stabbed. Can that lizard come out? Because I kind of need that spear so I can have the poppy corn. There's another strawberry thing, thinking that it blends in. I know there's no things up here. I don't know why I'm going this way. There's literally nothing I can do here. Like, unless I find a spear. Oh, okay. I'm pretty much just gonna have to throw cycle until I can find a room with bats. So yeah, I just used the vulture strat and I just... Oh, and I missed. Like, all of that. I have to go the really long way to grab some of them. How much do I have? One more. I feel like I can find that one more on my way back. And if I can't, that's like a skill issue. Oh, like that. Just use some insane movement skills, which I don't know where I got that from. Okay, I got at least a few of those, right? Like, I got one, right? Yes. Food. Eat. Please don't be body blocking me. Is there a lizard there? I see a blue one, but that's not the same thing. And there is a chameleon. And I don't have a spear to fight him with. So I need to go get a rock. Or like 5, so I have stuns on him. I feel like I could just give him bats and he would like leave me alone. But unfortunately, they don't want bats. They want me because I like taste good or something. Here, eat that. Oh. Come on. Yeah, if you want me, you can come and fight me for it. Also, I'm hiding. I'm not dealing with that. No. Pebble. Sleepy night. No. It forced me to sleep. Okay, and then I need one more garment, so I just gotta do that again. So you know how I lived, right? Yeah. Round 2. And then I have to go up. And I want to do that with max hunger, so... Or max fullness. Spear! Oh my god, finally. My prayers have been answered. I hear the combat noises, but I don't see... Okay, I kind of do now. Oh, okay, it found me too. Okay, I just threw the spear in the most funky way possible. I'm dead. Ooh, okay. Oh, I'm cornered between rock and hard place. Okay, run! Oh, I'm really dead now. Oh my god, it got grabbed. Goodbye, pink lizard. I see vulture shadow, so I will hide. It's too big to fit there, and it kind of knows that. To be fair, I do have a spear, and it's too big to fit in this gap in its entirety. Can I just chain spear? No, I cannot. Where's my spear at? Oh, did it take that spear? Oh no, there it is. Oh my god. Oh, no. Yeah, eat that. It's not fun, is it? Yeah, hey, I'm here. Come on, come down, come get me, come on. Yeah, 2 spears is enough. And I'm gonna have a showdown with the white lizard that I see right there. And that sees me. Or I can just lure him out. And I'm gone. And I'm gone. Okay, I should be able to find 1 food in the chimney canopy. And luckily, from where I am, I just have to go up. I kind of already showed the way. So, that's right, yeah. I need to make sure that my rock is always the thing that I throw first, because the rock is the stun tool. It's the tool. The spear is the actual weapon, but unfortunately the spear is not able to stun a lizard and then be used again. You know, I'd have to go and pick it up, and that risks getting too close to the lizard, and getting too close to the lizard is an issue because I like breathing. Also, whoever made it makes it so that when you go down there, that it's like a 15-20 chance that like you can actually grab it and you don't just fall. And there's a white and a blue one. how am I supposed to... Like, I see them both. Like, neither of them are sneaky, okay? They're just in the most inconvenient, annoying positions. Or just blind and stupid. Why is it so fast? What do you mean they can be that fast, huh? No, I refuse. I'm dead. Whew! Okay, there's like 3 lizards. I'm literally getting body blocked. No. Okay, they have to all be fighting right now, right? There's like no way. Okay, I can hide here too. Yeah, good luck, purple. Did it just steal my spear? Heck. Ah! Oh! Yeah, eat it. Oh god, I'm dead. That was a close call. I don't think I can make that. Okay, I can. Probably out of luck and less skill, but I mean, hey, if you live, it's skill. I genuinely can't believe I survived that. That was a little crazy, guys. Okay, I think I know how to make this jump. It has to not be, yeah, a head hitter, and then I can go up without the added spear there, which just made it easier last time. And then that one was kind of difficult. Okay, I'm here, and I have the right amount of karma, so I should be able to pass. Yes, we're going. Okay, so then I need to go up, eat something, over again, and then that's the burrow. And then I'm one of like 3 steps closer to pebbles. I can't believe it. It genuinely feels almost impossible that I'm almost at 2 pebbles. Or 5 pebbles. I've been saying his name wrong for like forever. I also see there is poppy corn and stuff, which is the thing that I need to eat. Can I eat these? Oh, I can. I don't know what they are, or if they serve another purpose. Wait, was that like an egg or something? Okay, well, whatever it is, I don't think I need it here. I thought I could eat it, though. Can I only eat dead ones? Like, do I have to move you to a place where I can drop? And then... Whoa. Can I, yeah, kill it and then eat it? Oh, I can. Let's see if I can store another spear real quick. Yes. Okay, so I'll have time to grind karma. Because to go, actually, it's less karma to go. But I need to have some in storage because, let's see. All is less. And then no, there's no more karma gates, it looks like. So that was my last one? Maybe? I think so. I can't tell. Dang. But that is, the next place we'd have to go to is the wall, which sounds a little devious, but currently we're just at the chimney canopy, and I think we should go, it looks like there's only one other den that I can go to close to the ending, but I don't know if I can even, like, sneak it that way? I don't know. It looks like it's a difficult trick. Also, is this a pole plant? Please don't be a pole plant. Okay, thank God it's not a pole plant. But if you're wondering, yeah, I need to go through that, but poppy corn. Do I really have to deal with a vulture right now? Can I not just eat the poppy corn? About to say, like, I am totally willing to just juke that thing over and over again. Do I have all the food? Yeah, I do. It's detecting something I can't see at all. No, I can see. It's the stupid vulture, because it won't go away. I don't see anything else, though. Unless it's talking about the other vulture. Okay, so I see why the chimney canopy might have been a little bit of a minorly bad place to go. Oh, wow, there's a den over here? Yeah, and another vulture. Oh, come on. Where's the den that it's pointing me to? Oh, okay. It's not even safe yet. Where's it trying to point me to? I see all of the very dangerous things. Where is it saying? Right through there? Okay, I can do that. Please don't be a white lizard. Thank you, bats. Noted, there's food over there. But only 5. I only see one other place to go. So if there's a den over here, it's gotta be that way. Also, that is a pole plant. Where's the den? Thing, guide me. Where's the eye? Oh wait, it must mean the really far away one. Okay. Well, I mean, we just need to keep going across. How much time do we have? About half a cycle. I don't think I've made it that far. So, unless I have some sort of magical power of time management, which is, by the way, not something that comes with ADHD. I don't see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, that must be that pathway, I think. Yeah, and then I just need to keep going across. Do these mushrooms do something? Whoa! Dropwing! Oh my god! What was that? Holy Jesus. Oh, it fed. Oh, so that's what those are. Those are like baby. Oh, never mind. I was like, oh, hey, look, a mushroom. And that got me distracted. And then I got jump scared. And my character didn't keep his spear. So I didn't get to stab it. Oh, wait. Can it eat the mushrooms? Okay, well, I didn't know I was going to get jumped by another thing with camouflage abilities, but noted, if I see mushrooms, it's above me. Luckily, I don't need that much karma to progress, and I can also really just skip that, because there's going to be so many opportunities for food. Okay, noted, just stop at nothing, just book it that way. I do not care what happens, I just keep moving. No hesitation, just keep on going. Because if we get jumped, we get jumped. But we get jumped in style. Also. Oh my god. Keep going, run, run, dip, dip, it's coming, whatever it is, it's coming. Whatever it, oh my god, it's scared by a lizard over here. Okay, the bad thing about purple lizards is for as smart as they are, they're not exactly the greatest at what they're supposed to be doing here. See, because he climbs poles and stuff, but if I lure him onto the pole, the only reason that he would stop climbing the pole is to begin climbing a different pole. Also, he should begin to fight with the blue one, but I can really just bait him with my superior intellect because I'm a human and that's an AI. Also, those are bitter plants, but I don't gotta worry about that. Also, that's a pole plant. That should be scary enough that he doesn't fight whatever that is or try to come towards me because, oh my god, there's a vulture. And I'm gone. Whoops. I didn't mean it like that, guys. You're gonna get us both killed. Oh no, he's dead. Goodbye. Okay, what? You got the scav, right? Where did the scav go? What? Huh? Okay, well, you definitely took the lizard with you. And my bad, guys. Bug spear. Sorry, this spear is gonna get named Mjolnir because so far it's always come back to me. Yeah, if there's another one, I would like to tell him I accidentally killed his friend. More purposely killed his other friend. So, yeah, get stabbed. What, you're alive after that? I thought... Okay, you're definitely dead now. Is that a pearl? No, that's a mushroom. Can I eat it? Oh, it like slows time. That's insanely useful. I basically just accidentally boosted my reaction speed. Okay, is there a droppy thingy here? What is that blue thing? Can I eat it? I can. Okay, well I have time to rest, so I will take it. At least a little bit of time to rest. Okay, that was it. Okay, I'm now getting officially jumped in. What is that? Why does it have friends? Oh, it's one of the Steeler grabby thingies. Okay, Oh, and then the thing is right there. I was one room away. Oh my god, I was almost there. Okay, well, we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna keep going. I probably shouldn't have fought the scavs, because then... No. Honestly, that was just a skill issue fighting the lizard there. I got insanely lucky to get that far and not get grabbed by a vulture, so... yeah, half of Rain World is just this is skill, and the other half is just luck. Because just like actually surviving in the wild, there's a ton of things that you don't know, or don't know how to do, or can't actually do anything about. And it's all about survival. Like if I was getting camped by 50 vultures, like 50 of them just descended and body blocked me from getting anywhere, there's nothing I can do about it. But that's just not happened yet. I guess it's probably not possible because there's probably a mob limit for that reason. Or I guess not a mob limit, but like a predator limit for that reason. Otherwise, the game would be a little unplayable. Did I just accidentally kill myself? Okay, no. Yes, I have a rock. If the blue one comes towards me, I can get it killed. Oh, wait. Or I could go touch that grass and I could sick it on both the lizard and this grass, right? It's explosive, right? And then if I chuck it, it gets mad. Back away. Yeah, come on. I'd like to see you go through that pole plant. Especially when it's mad like that. And I'm gone. Also probably give him like permanent hearing damage. Did he accidentally go in there? Get away. Okay, the eye thingies will steal my spear. That's a lizard. Eye thingy, don't steal it. Yep, that's what I thought. Do I have enough food? Oh, I don't. I need one more food. Whoa. Cool? Oh, God. Yeah, lizards. I'd like to see you come at me now. You know what? If I have space, I should probably take one of those with me. Back away. I am not afraid. Actually, I should totally bring this here. What's in my right hand? This. Okay, I still have plenty of time left. If the eyes stop... Did they just... My spear! Yeah, I will take that back. Did he just... He just stole the spear that I stole. I stole that fair and square. You can't steal that from me. Does this not give me food? Eat! That's what I thought. Does eating another one stack the effects or just add more time to it? Oh my gosh. Please not right now, Blue. Yeah, okay, I'm just stuck with him now. Okay. Crazy dodge. No food, though. No food here. Yo! I don't want to fight that. Okay, well, it's immediately just cooked up. How much time do I have? A lot? Not really. Not if that thing's gonna be there. Oh, there are bats up here. Okay, I was about to say, did the eye thingy lie to me, though? Because, like, I didn't see any bats, but, I mean, I guess now I see some bats. Is that a possible jump? Okay, ow. I have a spear now, though, so, spear. How am I supposed to do any of that? Can these guys, can the lizards not camp so hard that I can't even, oh my god, please kill the blue one. Please just kill the blue one. Just grab it and dip. Just grab it and, no, oh my god. Yeah, see, just take the purple one. See? Purple one's not doing anything. Yeah, just take it. Just take it. You just killed it. Yep, just go with that. Don't come for me. See, we made a deal. See, he took the purple one. I didn't fight him over the purple one's body, and we're chill. I hear it. I did just spear that thing, and I'm pretty sure the lizard is literally scared of it, and that's why he hasn't showed his face yet. Just pick one and dip. Yep, just pick it, finish it off. Yep, go. Go. Dip. Please don't be coming for me right now. See, you don't want to eat me. I'm dumb. Hence, probably not good to eat. I have like a quarter of the cycle left. Please come down. Come on. Is it still alive? Oh, I was about to say, it better not be after that. If it survives that, impressive. But no, it did not. So I'm good. Almost able to save. And then I can steal more from the scavs. Okay, they're mad at me. So what do? Yeah. Are they always going to be mad at me? What do they do if they're mad? Can I just, like, spear them until they die? Like, what are the rules on the mad ones? Come here. I'm right here. You want another one? Yeah, that is what I thought. Oh my god, whoa! Okay, I see how it is. Oh, what? Okay, they can just grab me, and then I think they make me take fall damage. Do I just wait until the rain starts pouring? I think I should use the exploding spears that I'll get from the scavs soon. I think I killed one, and that's why they're mad. Or because I speared one over and over again. I think the explosive ones will kill them, right? But I mean, that is kind of what they get for stealing from me after I rightfully stole from them. What? Oh, I don't think that's supposed to happen. I think the game just crashed because of that. No, my save! That's dumb. Oh yeah, my background's gonna be freaky now.